People send you pictures, videos, and even files on WhatsApp, and you discover that they are being downloaded into your phone directly. Even the pictures that you do not see are already downloaded into your phone. So how do you stop that? You want to head over to your WhatsApp and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the page. You want to click on settings. You're going to land on this page, then you have to scroll down and you want to click on storage and data. Scroll down and you're going to see a section that shows media auto download. So you want to make sure you select no media on each and every of these. So click on when using mobile data, then make sure you untick everything over here. Make sure they are not marked. Now you want to click on OK, and you want to click on when connected on Wi-Fi, untick everything and click on OK. When roaming, untick everything and click OK. And boom, you successfully stopped every image, videos or files from downloading into your phone automatically from WhatsApp. I'll see you on the next one.